In Convertri, images are automatically compressed by around 45% to help the page load faster without compromising image quality. If you want to adjust image compression, it's easy to do. A highly compressed lower quality image loads faster, whereas a lower compression high quality image loads slower. To change the compression, in the editor, select the image you want to compress, and in the Element Properties panel, select Image Properties. You can then choose your option from the compression drop-down. Auto compression reduces image quality by 40 to 50% for optimal page load. Custom compression lets you choose your own. No compression will scale the image without compression. Use this for maximum image quality at the size you want it to look on the page, but only if you don't mind slower load speeds. The original image will display your image with no scaling or compression. If you adjust the size of your image on the page, it will be scaled by the viewer's browser. Please note, setting your compression to original image can have a big impact on page speed, so we generally only suggest this if you're using images that are already optimized.